your girl Fabulous Victoria, and I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video, as you guys can see by the title, we'll be talking about ways that you get free product. Before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys are a part of my journey as far as growing as a bigger YouTuber. And make sure you guys hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of when I upload. Okay guys, so I have down at least 5 tips that you guys would definitely need to be able to get free products. So the first one is you need to make sure that and I'm only looking down because I'm looking down at my phone to look at my notes and things that I have written down here, okay? So the first thing is you need to make sure that you have a public social media account, okay? So public meaning like whether you're on Instagram, whether you're on Facebook, Snapchat, you need to make sure that it is public and that everybody can see what it is that you post. If your social media accounts are not on public, then the brands and things like that that you want to see you, they're not going to be able to see you because no one can see you. So the reality of it is that if you do want to kind of start getting products and things like that for free, you're gonna have to make it known like that this is the way that you could reach me. And another way of being public would be also by having your email address linked to your accounts and things like that, so then that way companies can reach to you through email. Because for me, that's one way that companies always are able to reach out to me. They reach out to me through my email. Like, that's why I'm constantly always in my email, because I know that companies can reach me through my email. So I keep that public. I also keep a YouTube channel, so then that way that's where I'm uploading all types of videos about products and things that I get for free. Okay, so number 2 is reviewing products that you like to use. So one thing that I love to do is review products and things like that. As you guys seen, I did a haul on things that I got from Dollar Tree because I like to display products and things like that that I like to use, or I buy hair products and things like that all the time, and I try them out and I review them. That's a good way for companies to see that, hey, you tried out these people's products, so I'm going to go ahead and send you products so you guys can review my products as well. So that's one thing that I like to do as well, and that also helped me out with getting into reviewing things for free and reviewing products in general. So that really helped me out, which was reviewing products that I like to use. Now, sometimes you'll get a bunch of products that you don't really like to use, and sometimes you'll get lucky and get products that you do like to use. So it really just depends on you and the brands that you're working with. But one thing that you definitely want to do is definitely use products and review them and make it public out there, the products that you're using. So for me, I like to review products on my YouTube channel, and I'll also review products on my Instagram. So like little small vox boxes that I get, which are products that I get for free, and I've explained to you guys how to get vox boxes and things like that. I have a video, I'll have it in the eye as well as in the description box down below. But those are also ways that I get free products as well. I will get into that a little bit more throughout the video. But I definitely go ahead and review products, and that helps it to where I get more free products because they're seeing that I'm reviewing a product and they're like, okay, well, if you reviewed that product, then I want you to review my product too. Okay, so as we mentioned, I talked about influencer a little bit. So I mentioned in number 3, look for apps that give you free products and promote those products. So for me, I like to use Influenster, and before I used Influencer, I was using an app called Ambassador. Actually, I didn't use the app, I just kind of logged on through online, but I'm sure that there is an app for Ambassador as well. But I stopped using Ambassador because I felt like there wasn't really much of a profit with Ambassador. They were actually paying you to promote certain products, but the thing is, a lot of the times you had to go out there and pay for them first, and then they would reimburse you. And I just kind of felt like there wasn't really me seeing any money and things like that coming back from it, because it was leaving my bank account but going into my PayPal, and I don't know, it's just something about that I really truly just didn't get into that much. But it's not like the products from Ambassador were bad or anything. It's still a really, really good app and everything like that, or website, and it's a really good start and things like that for you trying to get free products and things. They definitely gave really, really good products and things sometimes. I was able to get a whole subscription box thing for free for 3 months with them. And I was also able to get like all sorts of little different types of snacks and things with them. So they definitely gave really good products. You guys can see all the products and things like that I reviewed from them on my Instagram, because I reviewed about every single last product that they gave me and I put them on my Instagram. Now, Influenster is an app that I've raved about on my channel multiple times, and I've done like tons of voxboxes and things with Influenster. And with the voxboxes, those are free products that I'm given, like pretty much because I review products and things like that I have around my house. So I could review a Snickers bar that I have. I can review a shampooing that I have, like a shampoo and conditioner that I have. I can review some pens that I have. I can review this sweater that I'm wearing. Anything, okay? So you can review anything on Influenster, and that ups your chances of getting voxboxes. Then on top of that, you also have to promote that stuff, you know? Once you promote that stuff, Influencer loves to see it. So, you know, broadcast that you've gotten free items and things like that. They love to see things like that. Then you get more chances of getting more items for free. What you also have to do with Influencer, once again, is keeping your eye out on your email. I cannot stress this enough. You have to look at your email when wanting free products and things like that, because most of the time these companies are going to reach out to you through email. So you have to, if you are not, you know, hip into looking at your email now, please get into the habit of checking your email or checking your DMs or something like that, because that's where companies like to reach out. But for me, for the most part, the companies have always reached out to me through email, which let me know that they were valuable companies and they at least had some sort of a business, because they reached out to me through email. That's where you would really receive real business inquiries. So you definitely want to check your email and make sure that you are signing up for anything that you want to sign up for, or receiving any free products that you want to receive, and then go ahead and promote it. Now, another thing that I want to point out with the whole Influencer thing that I think a lot of people just didn't realize from the last video when I explained how to get the free products and things like that, is you have to check your email. They will give you this page that says, hey, are you fit for our next campaign? Those are the emails that you want to look out for with Influencer, because if you miss out on those Influencer emails and you don't hit opt-in before the time, like the deadline that they have it, you've missed out on chances to win free products. So you want to keep your eye out on your email and make sure that you are signing up for those voxboxes. Like, you have to, or else you won't be in the running of getting one. Okay, so another thing about getting free products and things like that, which I've kind of already iterated in this video, but I'm going to reiterate it. So another thing is, you want to make sure that you are promoting everywhere. Now, just like I do with my YouTube, I promote my YouTube on practically every platform that you can think of. Even some of the smallest of the small platforms. I don't care if I have like 2 friends on there, I'm going to promote my stuff on there, because that's 2 people that I'm getting across to. So you want to promote your stuff that you're getting for free on every app that you can imaginable find, because from there you're gonna find other people that find you and seeing that you're promoting things, and they're gonna be like, oh, okay, well, I definitely want this person to try out my product as well for free. So I like to promote on YouTube, and then I like to promote on my Instagram. I like to promote on Twitter, on Snapchat. I like to promote on all of those different platforms, and Facebook as well. So I promote absolutely everywhere. And I'm now starting to really get the hang of TikTok and getting into that a little bit more. So I might start using TikTok to promote things as well, especially with my YouTube channel. Okay, and last but not least, the last tip is you have to be willing to post on social media. So, you know, as long as you have a social media and, you know, you're not too bent on the whole, oh, I have to go with this particular theme. My Instagram can only be pictures of me at, you know, model-esque type events, and oh, I can only be looking the best on, like, as long as you are willing to promote your stuff on your Instagram, then you will get more people that are looking at your stuff. Because the thing is, when you're doing like videos, like reels and just Instagram videos in general, brands and things like that are able to see those things, you know, like your impressions and things, your engagement, all those numbers and things like that count with Instagram and YouTube and all that other kind of stuff. When you look at those kinds of things, those are a bunch of different people that have at least passed through and seen your stuff, you know. They may not have engaged with it that much, but they at least seen it. So one thing that you want to definitely do is make sure that you promote places. And even if you didn't really put it forward and actually say, hey, you know, like a lot of people didn't really like it, somebody is seeing it. And, you know, brands are probably seeing that and they're thinking to themselves, oh, well, this is the person that I want to check out my stuff or to, you know, advertise my products. And, you know, that's something that, you know, you want to do and make sure you look out for, because promoting it on as many platforms as possible, it gets you noticed and it makes brands more willing to reach out to you. I just lately have been getting these products and things like that for free, and I do want to share info that I've done that I feel like would help others. And I just wanted to, you know, kind of just share my knowledge of what I've done, because it wasn't always this way for me, guys. I was not always getting these free products and things like that for free. It took me a minute to find brands that reached out to me and started offering me this stuff. So I definitely wanted to, you know, help you guys out and, you know, tell you guys as well. Another bonus little tip that I do want to let you guys know as well is, if you guys are trying to get products for free that are regarding makeup or something like that, then you need to be promoting makeup and you need to be reviewing makeup and stuff like that. You can't want makeup on your channel and then all you do is, you know, go to the beach and, you know, smoke or whatever, you know, like you have to really put forth what you want. Like, if you want free hair products, then you have to show yourself using hair products. You have to show yourself going out there purchasing hair products, saying this hair product is good because I like this hair product. This is me using this hair product. So once you actually are showing them that this is what you like to use, then they're more willing to reach out to you and give you those things for free. You have to really go after what you're looking for, and it has to be what you truly do. So you have to go after what you look for. I really like hair products and things, hair products for my hair and stuff like that. So I promote hair products so I can get more hair products. I love wigs and stuff like that, so I promote, like, I show myself putting on wigs and stuff like that. No matter how ridiculous I look or whatever, I don't really care about that kind of stuff anymore. I'm, you know, well past that, because you guys already seen my meeks and everything. So, you know, I more so just put out what I want people to give me in return. So, yeah. Alright guys, that was pretty much the end of this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know that you guys like videos like this and I can continue to give you guys content like this. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as in the outro, and I'll have them here on the screen. Alright guys, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!